Struggling with sexual intimacy? In this video, I share with you 4 courses of action to heal your sacral chakra and get back your passion and desire. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from QuantumUpgrade.com, and I'm an energy healer sharing with you practical tips that you can use to help you to get amazing results physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. And if this is something that you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Let's begin. Sacral Chakra, or Svadhisthana, meaning your place of dwelling, has a symbol of a white lotus with a crescent moon with 6 orange petals. The sacral chakra sits between the reproductive organ in your lower abdomen, and it represents the creative life force potential. The sacral chakra represents our emotional and sexual energy. We hold our passion, our creativity, our ambition, all in this center. The sacral chakra governs our sense of self-worth, our confidence, and our ability to bond with others. Physically, it governs reproduction. Emotionally, it governs joy. Mentally, it governs creativity. And spiritually, it governs enthusiasm. When your sacral chakra is imbalanced or blocked or is not spinning with ease, your sense of creativity is blocked. You have poor social skills. You may have fear of sex. You may have lack of desire or passion, and you may deny yourself any type of pleasure. When your sacral chakra is overactive, you may be manipulative, or you may be overly obsessed with sex. Blockages in your sacral chakra may be caused by medical issues such as infertility or procedures such as hysterectomy, cesarean sections, or abortions. So how do we heal the sacral chakra? To heal and connect with your sacral chakra, it's important to see yourself as a creative vessel of inspiration, a fountain of passion and desire overflowing in all aspects of your life. The 4 courses of action to begin healing your sacral chakras are: consider doing meditation with your hands in your lap, palms up, both hands one on top of the other with your thumbs touching. Deeply breathing in and out as you visualize your deepest essence pouring out of you like hot or liquid fire, nourishing or melting everything in its path. By consciously reconnecting with your ability to desire and to be desired, you will feel empowered. And empowerment fuels health, self-esteem, and happiness. Number 2, dance. Any type of dancing, especially belly dancing, or maybe Latin dances and other dances that move the hip area will stimulate sexual passion and interest. Even practicing hula hoop will do the trick. Every being, every vibrational creature understands and responds to sexual frequencies. Number 3, tangerine quartz. Tangerine quartz boosts sex drive and brings sexy thoughts of lusty connections with the bearer. It is believed to be an aphrodisiac that can support male sexual performance and improve sexual endurance. Tangerine quartz also helps you to reconnect with your inner child, helping you to be more playful. Consider working with your chakral sacral gemstones at sunset, as the energies are more heightened in the early evening hours. Number 4, try journaling, writing, painting, or any other forms of creativity that helps you to express and channel your emotions. Include play in your daily life to help you to cultivate learning how to experience pleasure and joy. When you align and clear your sacral chakra, your entire life receives an infusion of passion and creative courage. Anything you bring into being, whether it's a child, a new project, an idea, some kind of service to others, or leadership in any capacity, are all governed by the sacral chakra. And healing this very important energy center is vital to your life and happiness. Here at QuantumUpgrade.com, holistic body maintenance is what we do. And I've made these videos to help you to get started on your journey to healing your sacral chakra. If you feel like you need more help and want to get things resolved, then work with me. Or work with someone who you feel can guide you to get the results that you want. Click on the energetic detox link in the description box below for more information. Coming up next week in the 7 energy center series is the solar plexus chakra. If you want to learn more about energy healing, make sure to watch this video next. Like, share, comment, and remember to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.